Featuring an impressive roster of components, a custom two-tone interior, and a massaged Chevrolet small block, this spectacular Bel Air was built to provide a lifetime of memories. If you've been searching for a striking Chevy showpiece, it's a do-anything cruiser that simply cannot be beat. During an extensive reboot, every piece of this Chevy's mostly original body was scrutinized and adjusted until it was as close to perfect as it could get. Once those panels were solid and properly fitted, glossy Harbor Blue two-stage was complemented with creamy Nassau Blue. And the result is one striking Bel Air that displays better than factory fit under a spectacular head-turning finish. Not to be outdone by the car's striking paint, this Bel Air's custom interior is a soothing study in shades of blue. An ornate dash frames factory gauges above vintage air conditioning, custom auto sound audio, and autometer accessory gauges. A sea of blue carpet floats Chevy-themed floor mats above plush bench seats, and the driver traces the road through a familiar Corvette steering wheel. Check the satin black engine bay and you'll find 350 cubic inches of hot small block that mixes great sounds with clean aesthetics. That trusty 350 powers a 700 R4 4-speed that spins a 9-inch Ford with posi traction. The Bel Air is an American icon, and this crisp Chevy puts a highly unique spin on familiar lust. The car's workmanship is outstanding, providing an active enthusiast with a cool cruiser for much cheaper than any ground-up build. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.